Good afternoon, everyone. Tim's going to join us tonight at 10 right here on Channel 5 News. I'm meteorologist Andrew Chung. It's been a mainly dry day, which we need after what has happened this past weekend with the flooding from Hannah. Just a few small showers. We're going to keep in a very slight chance for some showers over the next couple of days, but the heat is on. We've got temperatures right now in the 90s. It's 92 degrees in McAllen, 91 in Harlingen and Brownsville, and 85 degrees on the island. Partly cloudy to mostly sunny skies. You notice the flood warnings do continue in the green. These are aerial flood warnings for southeastern Hidalgo County, western, southwestern Wolsey County, and west central Cameron County until at least 8 o'clock this evening. I would not be surprised if they're extended because we still have standing water and flooded roads. So I ask you, please do not drive into flooded roads. Turn around, don't drown. Still some major flooding issues across the valley, especially though in the mid and lower valley you see with those flood warnings. So right now we have temperatures in the 80s and 90s, 97 degrees in Rio Grande City, 91 in Harlingen, 92 in Edinburgh, and 90 degrees in Port Isabel. You can always get your forecast on the KRGV weather app. We're going to start off with mostly sunny skies early this evening. We should see partly cloudy skies overnight. It's going to be warm and muggy. There may be some patchy overnight fog in the ranchlands overnight, down to only 79 at 1 a.m. and then 77 degrees at 7 o'clock tomorrow morning. Tomorrow looks mainly dry once again. Meanwhile, here's the latest on Tropical Storm Isaias in the Caribbean. Again, Isaias is not a threat to the valley. Again, not a threat to the valley. Here's a satellite picture. Here's the Dominican Republic. It seems the center has started to reform, or is going to reform perhaps for this evening, but it's looking a bit more organized. A lot of outflow, the clouds coming out from the center of Isaias. And again, you can see as it's slowly or rather rapidly moving off to the northwest at 20 miles an hour. Here are the latest numbers. Moving to the northwest at 20 miles an hour. Isaias, the center, is to 155 miles to the west-northwest of Punta Cana in Dominican Republic, and it's got winds of 60 miles per hour. Now, here's the change. This is the official forecast track from the Hurricane Center. Hurricane Center now forecasts Isaias to become a Category 1 hurricane perhaps tomorrow or tomorrow night. You'll see the tropical storm warnings in the orange are for the Bahamas, and now an orange outline for the east coast of Florida. Tropical storm watch in effect from Ocean Reef in the upper Keys of Florida all the way to Sebastian Inlet. So hurricane conditions are a possibility for Florida and most likely for the Bahamas. Unfortunately, they're dealing with Dorian from last year, so right now they don't need any more bad news. But this is the forecast track. It is thin, and that is because the forecast models agree more on the track of Isaias. But keep in mind that could change more so to the left or to the right. Isaias is expected to recurve toward the northeast, still as a Category 1 hurricane, then speeding off to the northeast through the end of the weekend into next week. For us, again, Isaias is not a threat to the valley. For us, it's just going to be mainly dry for tomorrow, partly cloudy to mostly cloudy for tonight with temperatures in the 70s. Tomorrow, there's just a 10% chance of a shower. Now, as a big trough of low pressure starts to dig into Texas, that may give us a slight chance for some spotty showers and thunderstorms on Saturday and Sunday. We're going to humid just a 20% chance of some showers and thunderstorms for this weekend. In any case, it's going to be hot and humid with high temperatures in the mid-90s most spots. So at this point, just a 10% chance of a shower tomorrow, then a 20% chance of showers and thunderstorms Saturday and Sunday, down to just a 10% chance of a shower Monday and Tuesday, and a 20% chance of rain next Wednesday and Thursday. Lows tonight, mid to upper 70s, 81 on the island. Watch out for some patchy fog in the ranchlands. Tomorrow, again, hot and humid, mainly dry, just a 10% chance of a shower. Breezy as well, with highs in the upper 90s out west in Rio Grande City. We're in the lower 90s in Harlingen, 88 degrees on the island. Here's your first 4 and 5 AccuWeather 7-day forecast. Just a 20% chance of some spotty thunderstorms Saturday and Sunday with highs in the mid-90s. Then a 10% chance of a shower Monday, Tuesday, so we'll call it mainly dry. The highs continue in the mid-90s. Hopefully, we'll see a little bit cooler weather Wednesday and Thursday with highs in the lower 90s. That is your first 4 and 5 forecast. Now here's Dina.